How's it going, guys? Dylan from If Cars Could Talk, and I hope everybody's doing well today. This is a very crappy yet exciting day in the sense that the weather, well, is incredibly British right now, but it's a very exciting day because of something British. Ironically, we are getting another new car. Yes, that's right, we just picked up our Dawn. It's very rare that anyone gets to pick up a new car, let alone cars like these. And well, it may not be a Rolls Royce today, but it's still pretty damn British. My brother needed to get a new car, and he's getting the new Aston Martin Vantage. Mainly because he doesn't have an original bone in his body. As many of you know, I have, well, the old Vantage, but he is replacing and upgrading his current BMW M4. And we've absolutely loved this car. It's been very fast, very capable, a brilliant daily driver. But now it's time to upgrade because we're going to the dealership to pick up my brother's brand new 2020 Aston Martin Vantage. This should be fun. Get back inside. Come on, we're picking up an Aston. Come on, come on, come on. We'll deal with you later, young man. All right, the weather is finally cleared up just in time for us to pick up his brand new car. What do you think? Are you excited? And don't give me like a neutral, I'm cool response.
I'm in disbelief.
Act like a child. No, you're too mature here.
I'll get excited when I'm in the car.
Scream. Just a little scream. Okay. Perfect. See, he's definitely excited. Anyway, we are taking our other new car, the Rolls Royce Dawn. Because I'm a second-class citizen, I'm sitting in the back, which surprisingly has a lot of room, but if you're in the back of a Rolls Royce, I guess you can't be second class anyway. It is very, very orange in here. All right, we have arrived. Oh, my camera is... Oh, we are here! We are here at Aston Martin San Diego. The weather has become a bit crap again. It's a very UK kind of day, right? Thank you. All right, so yes, we are here. And well, why don't we just look around some of the inventory first before we go in. Now these are the cars in question. Try not to look at that red one, it is absolutely hideous. I apologize to whoever buys that. This is a very pretty color, favorite color by far. And then this is, you know, these are the cars in question over here. These are the new Vantages. And then over here, that's not an Aston Martin, sorry, is one of my favorites, the DBS. This is just such a badass looking car. This is the type of car that eats your children. And look at this giant front grille. You could fit multiple children inside of there. But enough talk out here. We've seen kind of some of the inventory. Let's go inside where his very car is, and well, maybe some other special cars as well. All right, so we are gonna pretend that this isn't here for a second, but that obviously is my brother's new car under the cover, which I have to say is such a nice touch. It makes you feel really special, so applaud to Aston Martin San Diego for doing that. But in the meantime, here's another Vantage that is very special. This is the manual version in a pretty cool kind of dark, more Nardo grayish look. Now they've made, I think, 200 of these, so not many, all featured with the manual and in an AMR spec. What is AMR? It's kind of like little special finials, carbon fiber wheels, different touches that make it a little more sporty and a little more special. So you can see, you're not going to see these on other cars. Carbon fiber absolutely everywhere. But enough of the exterior, let's go into the interior because that's where the magic's happening. Now obviously you guys know I have the old version of this in a manual, and obviously it makes the car. Biggest problem is, well, Aston Martin's stopping making manuals. So they made 200 of these to sell, let me make sure, 200, yes, 200, my good memory. You guys would have killed me in the comments otherwise. To celebrate that, and they're charging a premium on it. A little bit, I don't want them to hear me because they might kill me or shoot me like with James Bond, but they are making a manual that is not special after this, which you can buy. A little bit confusing, but yeah, so anyway. This is the manual in question, a 7-speed dog leg. Very weird, lots of different gears. I don't know how easy this would be to drive. It just feels like I'm doing like a math puzzle or something. And they're not very notchy, so maybe I'd have to hopefully drive this one day if they care about me enough. But in the meantime, this is kind of just quickly the other stuff they have. Always love the specs of their cars here, kind of these like sophisticated tones with this metallic green or a pewter or a dark forest green or a little tint of blue in this or a navy blue in that. And then that contrast of the new interiors are unbelievable. I mean, these new interiors are, I think other than Mercedes and Aston Martin, I think are the best in the game. Unless you're spending multi-million-dollar on a Pagani. Here's a little bit of the specking section. These different colors you can get. That's my Vantage's color. And some leather. Anyway, I know you guys hate me because I've gone on and on about the car that this video is not about. But I just wanted to kind of show you, well, the whole Aston Martin experience. Now, without further ado, let's see my brother get his new Aston Martin Vantage. It is official, you've signed your soul away, I mean the papers. But show everyone the keys, because this is badass.
I actually haven't seen them yet.
Have you not? Okay, this is a real reaction.
I don't even know how to open it.
There's a lot of pressure on this opening.
Okay, there we go.
Look at the presentation. See, This is the difference between the new Astons and my one. It's all presentation from the keys.
Very nice.
Grab that from you for a second. And that's a beautiful key. And at least the old one was glass. When you drop that, that would break. This is going to be more durable, but all about presentation. Look at the keys. Look at the cover. This is all just a special experience, and I couldn't be happier for you, Nan. Now let's see you react to checking it out yourself.
It's like the best day of my life.
Okay, now can I get a real reaction?
It's like the best day of my life.
That is so cool. It's been under a cover for so long, I forgot what it bloody well looked like, man.
God, the black looks so good.
Doesn't it look great? We want every bit of exhaust on.
All right, they are pulling it out. That thing barely fits through the doors. He's gonna want to probably come right.
Further out.
I can't believe this is happening. This is a serious situation, directing a brand new car out of a showroom. Oh, wow, big congrats to my brother. This is unbelievable. What a badass car. We're gonna take a look a little deeper at what this car is all about in just a second, but we're just enjoying the moment. Now that it's outside, let's take a quick look around the spec. We're gonna do a proper video very soon on what this car is all about, but essentially it's in black, which is very evil. We love this, you know, compared to a traditional, you know, very beautiful metallic spec. And sorry, my dad's literally showing my mom all about this car, so sorry about all the voices. Then you have the contrast of the matte black wheels, the matte black bottoms. Now you can get these painted usually. These are painted but not gloss painted. And then the other great thing about the spec is you got black, which you think can be, obviously it's evil, but a little bit plainer. You have the red to bring the spice in. So you have the red of the brake calipers, the red of the taillights, which you can often clear, but I love them here. And then the red stitching, of course, in this completely updated interior. Red embossed Aston Martin in the headrest. Is it evil that I'm sitting in this before my brother, but he's distracted down there with the salesman, so shh. Look at this thing. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is badass. Should we give it a little rev? Woo! 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 This is sexy. Dude, this thing's badass.
It's a lot of noise, doesn't it?
Yeah. All right, I'm letting you sit in it. All right, so we've picked up the car, now it's time to drive in it. These doors already are so much better than mine. Oh, that smells so damn good. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Woo, I'm officially jealous.
And thank you very much for putting an Aston Martin in my mind.
I was telling them this guy doesn't have a bloody original bone in his body. I was supposed to be the Aston guy, okay? This is not cool.
Okay, so I just realized I was too excited when we took off. I hadn't adjusted the seat or the steering wheel or anything.
That was cool. Can you believe you literally just you just walked out of the dealership and got this car?
Nah, I cannot believe that I have this car. This is just absolutely outrageous.
Dude, it's so cool. It is so cool.
Yeah, you know, I love the M4. The M4 was my absolute dream car. This is just beyond.
It's the next step, man. You've
it's
gone
like
to the next
two
level.
steps,
And
yeah.
it was your dream car, the M4, but now this is gonna spoil you because you're just gonna keep dreaming.
Yeah.
This thing is so fast. This thing is so cool, man.
Thank you, man.
This interior, it's weird to be in an Aston Martin with modern interior. I mean, we have cooled seats, seat heater, GPS, Bluetooth, a digital display over there.
I will say this, the GPS is definitely the old. Yeah, it's like Mercedes.
No, it's a lot better, but at Mercedes is like, we're not giving you the best thing.
Not at all.
We're gonna punish you if you're gonna use our stuff.
It just picks up speed so
Effortlessly, yeah. It's so refined though now too. It's not like cumbersome in traffic or...
No, it's smooth. And you know, my M4, which may or may not be modified, incredible power. Incredible power. But this is another level.
And they're both turbos, but the M4 slaps you in the back of the head. It kind of kicks in. This is much more progressive.
It feels more refined as well.
Much more refined, which it should be because you're in an Aston Martin. No, dude, it's insane. It's legitimately fast, guys. I mean, I hadn't been in a modern Aston in a while. I have the 06 Vantage, obviously, if you watch my channel. And it's not even comparable. It's not that my car is shabby, but this is much faster, much more refined, much more usable. It's waterproof, which is a big thing.
Yeah, and the M5 and the 911, I had a 911 on order, a Carrera S. I ordered a stick shift.
Hey, and tell them to watch that video where we went car shopping for those two very cars.
Yeah, loved the car. Came to look at an Aston. Well, Dyllon told me to check them out, and
it's just another story, man.
Yeah.
I mean, a 911 is awesome, especially the new one. But this is, it's just got a spice to it. Sure, no one really knows what the hell an Aston Martin is. It's just you're driving something different. And it makes you feel special. And anything that makes you feel like 007, I think, is a good thing. Wow, that's sick. Dude, this thing is fast.
oh yeah, we got to do the windows down.
Yeah, I don't know what you're doing. Wow. Oh my god. Dude, that's crazy, dude. I can't believe you have this car.
I have a freaking Aston Martin.
my god, it crackles so much.
Angry.
That's like a sexual experience.
Oh, it was amazing.
This car is obnoxious. I love how we're driving into the neighborhood and we have those people staring at you in this new car, and then on top of that he crackles it and they're like, my word. All right, she's coming home. Now don't scrape it. Slow. Hold on, keep going. Slow. Yeah, you're good. Woo, that was close. Come on up. Oh my god, dude, it's sick looking. Oh my god. Oh, that thing is a beast. Woo! Wow. That sounds amazing. Oh my god. Now we officially have an all British garage except for the Porsche and the Smart, but the Porsche is going and the Smart, I don't know if it counts as a car. Oh yeah, and the M4's going. But now we have the Bentley, 2 Rolls, 2 Astons, so 5 British cars. Hey, I'm gonna close that, but I gotta give you a big congratulations.
Thank
a big
you.
left-handed congratulations. Unbelievable, None. You deserve it. It smells like you just killed your new car. But apparently no break-in period on this car, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, huge congratulations to my brother and his new Aston Martin. That is so dope. He's officially copied me, and now we both have Aston Martins, which is not a bad thing. Unbelievable congratulations. What an amazing car, and many more videos to come, specifically kind of talking about the spec, specifics, and the drive of this car. This was really just barely touching on it. And well, guys, if you want to see what type of equipment I use, please check the Amazon links below. If you want to see well, me on other things, please follow me, of course, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Guys, big thank you to San Diego, Aston Martin. Their link is below, along with the salesman that helped us out, so contact him if you need anything. Other than that, give this video a bloody like if you liked it, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.